Welcome to the Lifestyle Medicine Update. I'm Dr. James Meschino. Since the early 2000s, studies have shown that the active constituents found in the medicinal mushroom, commonly known as lion's mane mushroom, can stimulate the production of nerve growth factor and brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which can help to heal certain types of neuropathies and help to preserve and reverse memory loss. In fact, in a 2009 study involving 30 patients 50 to 80 years of age, diagnosed with mild cognitive impairment, half the subjects were given lion's mane mushroom supplementation or a placebo for 16 weeks. Now, the group given 4 tablets 3 times per day of lion's mane supplementation showed significant improvement on cognitive function scores compared with the placebo group. So that was the first clinical trial using lion's mane to reverse mild cognitive impairment in humans. That was back in 2009. But animal studies have also shown that lion's mane supplementation significantly slows the production of beta amyloid plaque in mice who are bred to develop Alzheimer's disease, and it protects brain cells against damage from cerebral artery occlusion. In mice with age-related mild cognitive impairment, lion's mane supplementation, just like in humans, has been shown to improve recognition memory by increasing nerve cell generation in the brain area known as the hippocampus. Now, the hippocampus is where we convert short-term memory into long-term memory in the brain. Now, in aging, especially in Alzheimer's disease, the hippocampus undergoes significant atrophy with corresponding death of many brain cells in this region. And so there's memory loss, especially short-term memory loss in the beginning. So the result is decreased short-term memory recall and a decreased ability to convert short-term memory into long-term memory. Thus, anything that can stimulate nerve growth and new brain cell formation in the hippocampus of the brain is likely to prevent memory loss, help recapture some lost memory, as we have seen in one human study and in mice models of cognitive impairment, and help to consolidate recent events and conversations into long-term memory storage. As such, the 2023 research paper in the journal Neurochemistry is very illuminating indeed. So scientists from the University of Queensland showed that 2 active compounds in lion's mane mushroom can enhance nerve growth and boost memory in mice. The researchers showed that these active compounds, which are hericine A and polysaccharides, cross the blood-brain barrier and stimulate the production of new nerve cells in the hippocampus and improve recognition memory function in mice. The researchers claim that this study was the first to show the active constituent known as hericine, derived from lion's mane, is the active ingredient that stimulates brain-derived neurotrophic factor signal-enhancing activity that produces a nerve growth and nerve branching effect in the hippocampus of the brain. So what they did is they identified the actual constituent inside lion's mane mushroom that's responsible for new nerve growth in the area of the brain that helps us preserve and recapture memory. This effect is largely responsible for improved memory in mice and mild cognition impairment, and largely explains the positive outcomes seen in the 2009 human clinical study in patients with mild cognitive impairment that I mentioned earlier. So what does all of this mean for us? Well, I routinely take a couple of teaspoons per day of a medicinal mushroom powdered blend mixed into a few ounces of juice. Medicinal mushrooms such as reishi mushroom and shiitake mushrooms, cordyceps, turkey tail, lion's mane, and others all have immune modulating properties that are really important for us once we're over the age of 45 or 50, a time when your immune system starts to become weaker. But a secondary benefit is the fact that lion's mane mushroom and possibly other medicinal mushrooms found in many of these mushroom blends may also help to support memory function in this stage of life, as strongly suggested by the research I'm commenting on today. So I suggest that you seek out a 10 to 14 mushroom powdered blend available in many health food stores. Take a couple of teaspoons per day once you're over the age of 45 or 50. Make sure that one of the mushrooms in the blend is lion's mane if memory support is on your wish list. Now remember that after the age of 55, it's also very wise to take a memory support supplement each day containing CDP choline, huperzine A, phosphatidylserine, and bacopamonieri, as I have discussed in previous lifestyle medicine update videos, to help to support memory as you get older. And things like lion's mane and other mushrooms are sort of secondary support, but those ingredients, CDP choline, phosphatidylserine, huperzine A, and bacopamonieri, are critically important after the age of 55 in my view. So I've included the references for the lion's mane research in the text below. I think you'll find it interesting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.